Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create neon light effect in CapCut. First, navigate to Effects and then go to Nightclub section. Here, select Neon Outline. Set the intensity to 10. Next, go to Adjust, tap on HSL, tap on Red, and set the luminance to 0 and saturation to 100. Next, set the frame rate to 60 and export. Go back to your work and delete the effect and the filter. Then, add as overlay the video we have just exported. Set the blending to filter by clicking on Splice. Go back to Adjust, tap on Saturation and then set it to 100. Then, go to HSL and set the red saturation to 100 and luminance to 34. Next, go to Graphs, then Red and adjust this as you prefer. Now add a keyframe to the beginning and the end of the overlay. Increase the size at the last keyframe and set the graph to ease out. Now go to Effects, then select Video Effects, and then find Edge Glow. And that's it! You have now successfully created a neon light effect in CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!